O-rings, a donut-shaped sealing components that play a massive role in keeping pipelines and machines leak-free. An O-ring will work efficiently only if it is free of debris, smooth, free of scratches and cracks, round and not flat, and properly lubricated. Today, let's explore 6 ways to maintain your rings and ensure peak performance, no matter the size. Cleaning. Keep your rings clean for effective sealing. Dust, debris can cause seal failure. Use compressed air to clean gently. Avoid rubbing to protect surface integrity. Lubrication. Lubrication prevents cracking or damage, reduces wear and friction. Use silicone-based grease. Chemical exposure. Ensure chemical compatibility. Right material means longer lifespan. Temperature. O-rings need optimal temperature to perform. Use within specified temperature range. O-rings maintenance products. Use sealants to block liquid entry. Use adhesives to bond parts securely. Storage. O-rings can turn brittle with time. Keep away from sunlight. Store in airtight bags. Harkesh Rubber delivers precision sealing solutions built for performance and durability. Talk to our experts to find the right fit for your needs.